In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add suppliers to QuickBooks Online. Having your suppliers set up correctly in QuickBooks Online makes it much easier to track your expenses, record bills, and see who you owe and when. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, and explain what each part does so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look for the main navigation bar on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, navigate to the Expenses menu. This is the section where QuickBooks keeps track of everything you spend, including your bills, purchases, and of course, your suppliers. Once you're in the Expenses area, you'll see options along the top. Depending on your region or version, you'll either see Vendors or Suppliers in the drop-down or as a tab. They mean the same thing here. These are the businesses or individuals you pay for goods and services. Go ahead and click on Vendors or Suppliers to open your supplier list. On this page, you'll see any existing suppliers you've already added. To create a new one, look for the New Supplier or New Vendor button, usually near the top right corner of the screen. Click that button to open a blank supplier profile. Now you'll see a form with several fields. Start by entering the supplier's name exactly as you want it to appear on your reports and transactions. This might be a company name or a person's name. Next, add the contact details such as an email address and phone number. These are useful if you want to email purchase orders or have quick access to their contact info later. You'll also see fields for the supplier's address. Fill in the street address, city, state, or region, and postal code. This helps keep your records clean and is especially important if you need accurate information for tax or shipping purposes. If there are extra fields available, like a website, account number, or notes, you can use those to store any details that are helpful for your business, but they're usually optional. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy with the information, scroll down if needed and click the Save button. QuickBooks will add the supplier to your list, and from now on, you'll be able to select them whenever you enter bills, expenses, or purchase orders. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a supplier to QuickBooks Online, and you can repeat the same process for each new supplier you work with.